Hello everyone, my name is Jutinal Ahmed and today I'm going to be unboxing the Samsung T7 solid state drive. Stay tuned. Let's begin the unboxing. Straight to it, straight to the cutting. This is paper, I don't know why I'm cutting it like this. Anyways, let's put the knife away. Let's be responsible here. Put that away. So this is the front of it, the box, and I'll just show you close-ups quickly. There we go. There's 3 years limited warranty on the top. So let's go through what this actually is. So this Samsung, the portable solid state drive, it's called the T7, so, compatible with Windows, Mac, Android. There's up to 150 megabytes read and write speed, I believe. I got the 2 terabyte version, so I'm going to use this as a backup of my files. Anyways, the performance is up to 1050 megabytes read speed and 1000 write speed, supported by USB 3.2. Wow, so it's Gen 2, which is 10 gigabytes per second that you can do, or gigabits per second. Anyways, using the PCI NVMe interface. Do you know what, guys? I'm actually becoming blind. But I actually wear glasses, but on these videos anyways, we'll talk about that another day on one of podcast or something. Anyways, portability, it's slim, lightweight, and portable storage. Reliable. They've got their own password software that they allow you to use, which is pre-installed, and obviously you can format it and not use that. It's a durable metal body. So I've actually already got one of these. I'm actually using one of these on my MacBook right now. I actually like this. I thought I'd get a second one just as a backup, because I'm planning to edit my videos directly from my SSD by having my files on one SSD, and then the Final Cut Pro, which is what I edit on, having that Final Cut Pro bundle file, which is the library, on another SSD. And now I needed a fast SSD. I'm not going to actually be using this for that. I'm going to be using a Crucial X8. I want to see how the performance goes, because I've been using that as well, but not for Final Cut yet. So once I do that, if it doesn't suit my need, I am going to be using this T7, because I've been hearing that this T7 is very, very good for using on Final Cut Pro for the library. Anyways, let's continue with the unboxing. Let's do a nice little cut. I wonder if this blade is ever going to become dull with all my unboxing videos. Anywho, let's open this. Nice, very nice. Slide it out. There we go. Samsung. I love it. This is the front of this box here. So let's begin opening this. Very nice presentation. I love this Samsung. It feels very, very nice. It's metal, as you can see already. And taking it out, wow. I'm saying this, but I know I've already got this. But I just want to show you and share the feeling I have when I hold stuff like this. And that's the back of it. This is the front. This is the USB-C port. This LED lights up green when it is being used. I'll just show you some of this information here. Hopefully it'll be a good read. Just pause if you need to. Yeah, I'm going to be using this. Let's see what else is in the box. Let's put that away. This, lol, how did I forget? So basically you need to actually take the rest out like this. So it's like a presentation box that they've given. So there's a C to C and a C to A in this. This is the USB-C to C, and this is the USB-C to A. And then they've got some, like a quick guide manual here, just to show you. Let's go through it quickly. Again, comment down below if you screenshotted it and if you can actually read anything from that little flip that I did there. It's very nice. I like the presentation. I actually use these for my other SSD drives, and they're really long, so this is a good thing about these. Like, I'm literally going to use one now on another device. Anyways, this is just a quick lineup of what came in the actual box.
Did you enjoy this video? If you did, pop a thumbs up. If you're new to my channel, please do subscribe. Comment down below if you have anything you want to say to me, or if you want me to make any future videos on whatever you want. And lastly, let's not forget, together, let's break free from the shackles of modern slavery. See you next time. Take care.